In today's video we are going to see how to fix lag in PUBG Mobile. Before going towards details, please note we are going to use GFX tool. So try it on your own risk. First, select the game version as shown. Now, while selecting the resolution, if your smartphone display is suppose 1080p, then select resolution lesser than that. As my smartphone is 1080p, I'm selecting 720p or 480p. You have to try different resolution and check which one will give you smooth gameplay. Note that selecting lesser resolutions the quality of graphics becomes bad, so you have to bear with it. Now follow the rest of the setting as it is. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like this video if you find this helpful. See you in the next one.